Welcome to Math Pile Conceptual Understanding. Everything we can learn with concepts. Dear students, this is Sharif. You are watching Math Pile. So today we are going to start second chapter, third concept, finding zero by factorization by splitting methods. Finding zeros of the polynomials by middle term splitting method. Middle term splitting method. We can go with some examples so that you will come to know very easily. For example, x square minus 2x minus 8. So kindly listen here very carefully. So x square minus 2x minus 8. So the highest degree of the variable, which is 2, so we'll get two zeros, right? So we are going to be finding the zeros by splitting method. Okay, so first of all you need to understand what is the coefficient of the x square. So coefficient of the x square is what? First we have to check coefficient of the x square in the sense what is that numerical coefficient of x square. First step, coefficient of x square multiplied by constant. What is the coefficient of the x square? Which is nothing but 1 multiplied by constant. Constant, this is a constant, last one, minus 8. Okay, right. So 1 into minus 8, which is nothing but minus 8, and the middle term is minus 2. Middle term is minus 2. So what we can understand, when we multiply we should get minus 8, when we add we should get minus 2. Okay, so this we are going to do, and any number if you multiply you should get minus 8, and when you add you should get minus 2. Okay, so what are the possibilities of getting minus 8 in any factors? So 8, what is the factors of 8? 8 can be expressed as 1 8, or 8 can be expressed as 2 4. Okay, 1 8 2 4 or 4 2 8 1, both are same pair only, correct? So here when we add 1 plus 8 it will become 9. When we subtract 8 minus 1, which is nothing but 7, so this is not a correct pair, right? We found two pairs, 1 comma 8, because 1 8s are 8, 2 4s are 8, both are giving 8 only, but our main goal is that when we multiply we should get minus 8, when you add we should get minus 2, right? So 8, what are the factors of 8? 8 is there, the 1 table, 8 table, 2 table, 4 table. So 1 into 8 we can write, or 2 into 4 or 4 into 8 we can, 2 into 4 or 4 into 2 we can write, right? Right. So 1 into 8 which is equal to 8, that is fine, but when we add 1 plus 8 it will become 9, but we need minus 2. If you subtract 1 minus 8, that is also minus 7, so this is not a correct pair. So 2 comma 4, next pair we can try. So 2 into 4, which is nothing but what? That is 8, correct only. But look at it very very carefully. When we add we will get 6, 2 plus 4, which is nothing but 6, but we need minus 2. So minus 2 we can get how? Here this 2 we can keep positive and 4 we can keep negative, right? So plus 2 minus 4, so that is a correct pair. So now we found the correct pair. We are going to be splitting the middle term now. So now x square, this minus 2x, how we split? Plus 2 minus 4, so plus 2x minus 4x minus 8. Okay, right. So after this step, so common terms taking out, that you know that, right? In 6th standard, 7th standard already we have learned. So out of this first two term, what is a common term? X square. X square, here one x is there, here one x is there. X we can take it out common. So x square can be written as x into x. One x we have taken, so one more x is left. Plus, here this x we have taken out, so only 2. Right. So next two term, you can kindly note the next two term, it is comes with negative first. When it comes with negative, including negative only we have to take. So negative 4 we can take it out. When you take negative 4, only x is remain. Okay, negative 8 can be written as negative 4 into positive 2. Negative 4 we have taken, so positive 2 only left. So now in this whole term, x plus 2 is common. So x plus 2 we can take it out common. What is left? X minus 4. So x minus 4. So we found two zeros. What are they? X plus 2 which is equal to 0, x which is equal to minus 2. And secondly, x minus 4 which is equal to 0, x which is equal to 4. So these are the two zeros for this given question. So kindly note that this is one of the technique. Also one more technique is there, coefficient of the x square and constant relationship. Through that also we can find out the zeros. Kindly note x square minus 2x minus 8. First of all, we have to split the middle term. First step is the coefficient of the x square multiplied by the constant. So coefficient of x square is 1, multiplied with the constant is minus 8. So 1 into minus 8, which is nothing but minus 8. So when we multiply, we have to get minus 8. When we add, we will get the center term, which is minus 2. So what is the combinations of 8? Because when we multiply, we will get 8. Now what are the factors of 8? 1, 8, 2, 4. Okay. If you take 1 and 8, 1 8s are 8 only, right? If you add this, so both ways you have to check, adding also and multiplication also. So 1 8s are 8, that is correct only. But when we subtract and add, what will get? 1 plus 8 is 9 and 1 minus 8 is minus 7. So this is not a correct pair. We need minus 2. So which is why 2 and 4 is a correct pair. But placing the signs is very important. If I keep here minus 2, here plus 2, the answer would be positive 2. But we need negative, which is why we are keeping the bigger number as negative. Okay. So 2 and minus 4 is a correct pair. So now we are splitting this minus 2 as minus 2x as x square plus 2x minus 4x minus 8. Right. Out of the first two term, what is common? Out of this first two term, x is common. So which is why x we have taken out. So in x square, there will be x into x. One x we have taken out, one more x will be there, plus 2. And out of this second two terms, negative, it comes with negative. When it comes with negative, including negative, we have to take it out common. So negative 4, when you take it out common, only x is left over there, and minus 8, in minus 8, minus 4, when we take it out, plus 2 will be there. For example, this is nothing but when you multiply, we will get minus 8, right? So this minus 4 we have taken outside. What is left? Positive 2 only here. So then whole expression x plus 2 is common. Here also one x plus 2, here also one x plus 2. X plus 2 we can take it out common. What is left? X minus 4 in the bracket. Then we are finding the zeros, right? The given factor which is equal to 0 we have to keep, then only we can find out the zeros of the polynomial. X plus 2 which is equal to 0, x is equal to this plus 2, when it go to that side will become minus 2. And here x minus 4 which is equal to 0, x is equal to this minus 4, when it go to that side will become plus 4. So these two answers are the zeros of the given polynomial x square minus 2x minus 8. I hope you got it. So we'll continue by tomorrow. It will be very easy only. There are two methods of finding. One is middle term splitting method, or we can find out the coefficient of the zeros and the constant. Through that relation we can find out. Bye, take care. We'll see you tomorrow.